Namaskar. It is such a pleasure and joy to get reconnected with all of you. I have gone through all the comments, and going through them has given me immense pleasure, inspiration, and joy. Some of the comments which has really touched my heart and soul, few of them are like this. Vinitaji Dharmesh. Vinitaji is saying that when her 11-year son saw this video, he was very jubilant and in excitement he said, "Mother, I will construct this kind of a house for you. And my wish is you should come and stay with me forever." Such a loving, such an emotional and heart-touching comment is this. Thank you for the same. Going further, Tejasri is saying that every day she is watching this video so that one day she will be able to construct a house like this for herself and for her family. Sure, Tejasri, I pray unto Supreme that you should have a beautiful, a better house than this very soon. Vinilji is saying that after seeing this video, he is remembering his grandfather's house and those old golden days. Yaad aa gaya mujhe guzra zamana. Many of the commenters and my dear friends are mentioning that they are remembering their old house from Kerala, from Nepal, from South Karnataka, so on and so forth. Yes, this old memories of their ancestor staying in a traditional house is really a treasure and a memory to cherish with. Imamji is saying when he heard about the recent floods in Kolhapur, he is extending his concern that hope we and our house is safe. Yes, Imamji, thank you for your love and care. Through all this comment, I'm getting love, care, best wishes, a source of inspiration, and from deep heart, I'm grateful and thankful to all of you for extending your care and love through these comments. Also, some critics, they too are teaching lessons and inspiring too. Unnati ji is saying, a way of serenity in the world of concrete jungle. Very beautiful comment. Thank you for the same. Well, as previously I have mentioned, I got inspired for constructing this kind of a house from villagers and villages. For last 2 decades, my connection with the villages in India has inspired me for this kind of a house. And this house has inspired all of you. So the real credit goes to the villagers and the traditional villages in India. So, ours is an humble attempt to retain, to maintain the tradition and get the best out of it in our daily lifestyle. So, thank you, Unnatiji, for your comment. Several of the commenters are mentioning about, am I a contractor or a consultant for an eco-friendly house? As I mentioned you previously, I personally got inspired from villagers and the villages in India. And the person who stood with me, who helped me out for constructing Gaud Desh, our eco-friendly house, is my dear friend, architect Dhananjay Vaidya. The contact details of architect Dhananjay is there in FAQ section of the video Swachhadesh. I am not a YouTuber, yet I wish to help you out for your dream house. And while doing that, I am humbly trying to extend myself by putting our experiences in small, precise videos hereafter. Many of the people are asking, why can't we have this video in local language or in Rashtrabhasha, Hindi? Very true. We wish, and maybe in future we can try for it. Yet, to have these videos in English, the only purpose and aim is to reach and spread our tradition and our culture to the nook and the corners of the world. People for more than 36 countries have seen this video, and it is such a humble pride that our tradition and culture is getting spread out and people are happy to see it and learn from it. And that's why English as an universal language, we are having it. But yes, in near future, we can think of having them in local languages too. Dhruva Gera, he is mentioning, Dhruvaji is saying that he is staying in city and following a city-based lifestyle and requesting for small inputs how they can go close to nature in the present lifestyle. Sure, Dhruvaji, we will make few videos on these lines and then put it across to you so that a city-based daily lifestyle can also step towards eco-friendly lifestyle. Many of the commenters are asking, are these traditional houses safe from earthquake point of view, or are they earthquake resistant as well as flood resistant? Sure. We will make a specific videos about safety and earthquake and flood resistance of such kind of houses, and soon we can have them put it across to you. A student from Beijing, China, she is very nicely mentioning that she is coming from a farmer family and she is asking for a eco-friendly inputs from after seeing this video. There is someone extending their love, best wishes from country Guyana, which to humbly express, I am hearing it for the first time. Thank you. I am grateful for the same. Manikantha is mentioning, director directs directly. Such a beautiful comment is this. I 100% agree with you. Unless and until a thing is been sanctioned and blessed by the Supreme, nothing can come out. And this house is also a supreme blessing by the Lord. So, after going through all this 4,000 plus comments and receiving your love, care, inspiration, blessings, I am very much grateful unto all of you. I keep requesting, please keep on commenting, and based on our small, humble experience, we will try to make small videos of what I come across in different villages or getting connected you to those people who are already living in eco-friendly house or getting connected to the villagers who are beautifully living a culture and tradition based lifestyle. So hereafter, we will try to keep regularly meeting through small videos which will try to guide you out from based on our humble experience, like how a biogas work is a command and we wish to make a videos on a biogas, how a mud refrigerator works and where is it available, that will be another video, or making of Gaudadesh, the experience which we had 10 years back, we will try to put it in few videos so that our experience will help you out for your dream house. I'm also happy to read that the FAQs, frequently asked question, which has been put below the video, has helped and guided many of you. Thank you very much for the same. So, at this point, I again express my deep sense of gratitude from core of my heart for loving our videos, for blessing us. And here I say that we will reconnect again very soon through our next video. Thank you very much. Namaskar.